Good morning to everybody. Welcome to the LASET TS and AP LASET 2021. And tomorrow is the only one day the class would be there. And the day after tomorrow, the theory test. And I posted something on the screen. I don't know whether you could see it or not. If anybody participant, if you could see it, please read so that I could know that you are with me and I am with you. Yes.
We can see it, sir. We can see it. What is stand for V full stop or period in legal sense or legal sphere?
Yes, this is the question, that mental ability question that I would like to pose to the participants. Yes, I don't know whether the participant will be in a position to give the answer or not. But anyway, that you try yourself whether you can give the answer, or if not, I will come to your risk.
It stands for versus.
Yes, number one, in the legal sense, we say it stands for, the spelling is VE. Is it versus? This is the spelling.
VERSUS.
Versus. See, this one versus, this is one versus. Now we have to judge it. Which one is the right answer?
Sir, first one is VERSUS.
VERSUS. Okay, versus the first one.
VER.
And this is no, because this verses means poems, poem verses. And I think here SUS, I believe.
Sir,
let
in the
check
first
it.
one, sir, in the first one, this one is correct, sir, in the legal sense. VERSUS, and the first one should be VERSES.
Yes, let me check it. What is that? This verses, actually this verses, because if you want to see it in the Google search engine, that what will say the verses that I would like to show to you.
Legal against.
Maxims, it is not there. No? It is anyway. It is occupied.
It is against, sir. It denotes against type.
Yeah. That is against. That is the verses. Yeah, that another verses is this verses is in the poem. In the poem, you will get it. Poem, you will get it. The verses, and this verses means against. So here V, and please mind it. The V is verses. It is a Latin terminology. Then all the Latin terminology is always in the Latin terminology. Always in the yes.
Italics.
Yes. That's always in the italics. So this is the point to the italics. So when you want to say the italics, what you have to do? You have to select it and go to the homes. Then you press the I. Then you will get the italics. So this is what I want to share with you. Yes. Now I will switch over to my wife, and she will deal the only some of them. Then we can switch over to the other people. And the Vidya is, I believe that Vidya is not present over here. Yeah, she is not present over here, but yes, this I can close it. I don't want to save it because already I made it to you. And these are the things which, yes, now please start.
Morning, everybody. Now, 8th question. Who are called ninjas? One is Korean martial arts exponents. Two is Chinese martial arts experts. Japanese. Third is Japanese martial arts experts. And fourth is American martial arts experts.
Among the four, which one is the right answer? Why you are mute? See something. It is like a mark. Even though it is wrong, there is no minus marks. Why are everybody is silent, especially the participants? Are you hearing us?
Yes, sir. Japanese martial arts experts, sir.
Yeah, they are the ninjas. They are called were the specialized assassins and saboteurs and the secret agents of the medieval Japanese warfare, who were highly trained and proponents of the martial arts, especially what later become known as the unjust or the art of the ninja. This is the ninja that you could see it in the photograph.
Youth, sir, in my youth, I have watched two movies, Shogun's Ninja and Ninja versus Ninja.
Okay.
Both famous movies.
Very good. Very good.
One is Shogun's Ninja and the other one is Ninja versus Ninja.
Very nice.
Just
Very
now
nice.
we have
And who
mentioned
played
this
the role?
verses all.
Who
Yes,
played the
sir.
role, main role?
I don't know,
Jackie
sir.
Chan, sir.
I don't remember it, but
Okay,
in my
doesn't
youth I
matter.
watched.
Doesn't matter. At least that you added something. Yes. Now here I will make it just Madam say Jackie Chan. So I mentioned already Jackie Chan here. Yes, match the following. Please read.
The correct statements. Part A, Jet Li movies. Part B, iconic appearances in Asian martial arts and action.
No, you do one thing. Part A completely you read it, then go to the part B.
2, Chuck Norris martial arts.
No, martial arts that comes there. Yes.
3, Bruce Lee. And 4 is Jackie Chan.
Yeah.
1 is
Then read the
2, Bridge B. Bridge Gap B and Click and Western and Eastern culture in martial arts. Founder C is founder and chairman of United Fighting Federation.
yes, please.
D. Chinese martial arts Wushu.
Yes. So there are total, see, part A, there are Jet Li is there, Chuck Norris is there, and Bruce Lee is there, and Jackie Chan is there. And part B, that iconic appearance in the Asian martial arts is action and bridges the gap between the Western and Eastern culture in the martial arts. And the C is the founder and the chairman of the United Fighting Arts Federation. And next, the D is the Chinese martial arts Wushu. These are the things which are there total. Yes, now you can compare it here. IC 2D 3B 4A, ID 2B 3C 4A, ID 2C 3A 4B, ID 2C 3B 4A. Which one is the right answer? Make a trial even though it is wrong, doesn't matter. Participants. Sir, it is difficult to check it in the smartphone. That's why we could not give the answer.
Option 4, sir.
Is option 4 is the right answer. Jet Li is a Chinese martial arts wushu style, and Chuck Norris is the founder and the chairman of the United Fighting Arts Federation, and Bruce Lee bridges the gap between the Western and Eastern culture in the martial arts, and Jackie Chan is the iconic appearances in the Asian martial arts and action movies. So these are the things. See, now you can see the first one, the extreme left is, who is that? Extreme left?
Jet Li.
Jet Li. Extreme right?
Chuck Norris.
See, in the Return of the Dragon, there is a fight between the Bruce Lee and the Chuck Norris. Yes, in the left extreme.
Bruce Lee.
Why the participants are not giving the answers? Okay, next extreme right is Jackie Chan, because everybody knows it because of the many movies that action movies that he made, and where the
Participants
many movies
be
are very
active.
much famous and
Participants
people
be active.
never lose it. Those who are interested. Yes, you want to add something?
Participants be active.
Even though it is
active,
wrong, it doesn't
participants.
matter.
It is you who are going to write the examination, not we.
Not for our satisfaction. See, I told you already that if one person also present over there, I will take the class. That is my principle. Yes, please read.
10% who is known as in South India film industry. 1 is Sripati.
Be a bit louder, madam. Be a bit louder.
Sripati Pandit Radhayula Balasubramaniam. 2 is Gantashala Venkateshwara Rao. And 3 is Prathiwadi Bhankara Srinivas. And 4th is Kattasari Joseph Yesudas.
See, the Ghana Gandharva in the South Indian film industry. And here, S.P. Balasubramaniam, Ganashala Venkateshwara Rao, and P.B. Srinivas, and K.J.
Sir, option 1,
Participant.
Sripati S.P. Balasubramaniam.
It is the right answer. Participants, we are sleeping. Sir, we don't know, sir. With Telugu, we don't know, sir. Okona, you have to know the thing. And a decades after the death of the Ghantashala, memorial songs live on his best. Is a Ghantashala Venkateshwar Rao, is a Gana Gandharva is given, especially that is given to him by the film industry. And other people also very much famous also in this regard. And here you could see it in the extreme left, who would be there? Sir, we don't know, sir. We don't know the names of them. Then how could you know the face of them? At least
Sir,
the other
Yesudasu,
participant can.
sir. First
Extreme
one is
left, who is there?
Yesudasu, sir.
Yes.
Yesudasu.
Extreme left.
Left is
Next.
Yesudasu, sir. Second one is
Yes.
Ghantasala, sir.
Next.
Next, that is
Ghantashala.
yes,
Next.
Ghantasala and P.B. Srinivas.
Previous Srinivas.
Yeah.
Next,
Correct,
anybody
correct.
knows him because recently he died after struggling with the COVID-19. And in the same way, Milka Singh, who is a flying king, in other words, he's also died after struggling for the 1 month in the COVID-19, which I posted to the students. Yes, please, 11th.
It's called the Nightingale of South India. One is P. Sushila Mohan, and two is Sri Ramamurthy Janaki, and 3 Shreya Ghoshal, and 4 is K.S. Chitra.
The Nightingale of the South India. P. Shushila, Janaki, S.S. Janaki, Shreya Ghoshal, K. Chitra. Anyone, participant? Because the other participants
Option
are
two.
there very, very silent because they did not have
Sir,
any
option 1,
idea.
sir, is Susila Mohan.
She has someone has given answer, sir.
Yeah.
Both
Please
madam
repeat.
and someone has given answer.
No, Sushila Mohan is not the right
Madam has
answer.
given
Yes, sir. Sushila Mohan is not the right answer. If the Nightingale of the South India is Janaki, the sister
Yes.
Sri Ramurthy Janaki, and she is the speciality of her. Yes, let me finish it. Then I will give the chance to you. So the speciality of the S.S. Janaki is that she sang the songs in the 14 languages. Even the P. Shushila did not sing in the 14 languages. She sang only the 12 languages. Yes, you want to add anything, you can add.
no, sir. One of the participants has given the answer. You have to compliment him.
Okay, he's given, but I say repeat. But they did not quite see when you give the answer. You have to give the answer with the option number 2. Then you have to read that Sistala Sri Ramurthy Janaki. That is the style of it. Now in the picture, I have shown the Janaki first, then the Sushila next, then Shreya Ghoshal is the third, and the K. Chitra is the fourth, which is extreme right. So here I have given the feedback, and we need not worry about that one. Yes, next. Who is called the queen of the melody in Bollywood? Number 1, Asha Bhonsle. Number 2, Vani Jairam. Number 3, Lata Mangeshkar. Number 4, K. Chitra. Please hurry up. Even though it is wrong, doesn't matter. There is no minus marks.
Sir, option 3, Lata Mangeshkar.
Option
Yes,
three,
the
sir.
Lata Mangeshkar is the right answer. And please open your mouth because I am doing for your sake only, not to enrich myself, because I already that I reached to a particular level. And here I have given, can you tell me who is the extreme left? Participants.
Asha Bhonsle, father. First one, sir.
The first one is Asha Bhonsle. Next.
Lata Mangeshkar.
Next.
Last one is Chitra Ramachandran, sir.
Yes,
Middle.
yes. The last one is Chitra, and next one is Vani Jairam.
Yes.
And Vani Jairam, she sang a very beautiful Bhakti Ganam. And I don't know whether Goody. In the movie Goody, there is a one song is a Bolo Re Papi Dhara. I don't know whether you saw that Goody or not, where the Amitabh Bachchan wife is now acted over there. Yes, come, 13 match.
Sir, madam's voice is not audible because she is not near.
Okay, that's why I'm repeating. That's why I'm repeating.
Okay, no problem, sir. Then
Singers. The part A, Kotla Sultan Singh. 2, Kedar Nath Bhattacharya. 3, Abbas Kumar Ganguly. And 4th is Prabodh Chandra Dev. And B, Kishore Kumar. A, B, Manna Dey. C, Mohammad Rafi. D, Kumar Sanu.
Even though they could not hear, at least they could see the screen. Is it not? Sir, screen is not visible, sir. Is it not visible?
green is visible, sir.
Yes, now can you make it out? Participants, can you make it out? Which is the right answer? Part A, there are all the singers are named given. Part B, they are the real now, which is given by the movie, and the film industry has given such a name. Actually, Kotla Sultan Singh, Kedarnath Bhattacharya, Abbas Kumar Ganguly, and Prabodh Chandra Dey. And here the part B, the new names given by the industry is Kishore Kumar, Manna Dey, Mohammad Rafi, Kumar Sanu. Yes. Sir, it's difficult for us, sir, because we also don't know who are there. Okay, now I will give the feedback to you. Doesn't matter. Here I give the feedback. And the Kotla Sultan Singh is the earlier name, actually is the Mohammad Rafi name. And Kedarnath Bhattacharya is there. The old name, actually now the film industry has given the Kumar Sanu. And the Abbas Kumar Ganguly is the old name, and the film industry has given the Kishore Kumar. And Prabhat Chandra Dey is Manna Dey. That is the original names, and this is the film industry have given a name. But I would like to ask you one. The film industry has given the name to the Dilip Kumar. What is his original name? Anyone?
Muhammad
Same
Yusuf.
Yes?
Muhammad Yusuf.
Yusuf Khan.
Yusuf
See,
Khan.
here I have shown you Kumar Sonu first. Next, who is next after Kumar Sonu? Say, even though it's wrong, doesn't matter.
Kedarnath Bhattacharya.
Manna
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 Dey. Next,
Kishore Kumar.
Kishore Kumar.
next, I want to
Mohammad
ask I want to ask the participant, but participants are very
Sir,
much
third one
silent.
Kishore Kumar and fourth Muhammad Rafi.
Yes. How could you not seen it anyway? Sir, we don't go to the CV movies, sir. Okay, need not to go to the movie to know their names. Because they may appear either in WhatsApp, they may appear in many other occasions, either their birth anniversary or death anniversary. In that also that it will be covered over there. Yes, please read the 14.
Which singer has given his playback voice to Bollywood actor Manoj Kumar in almost
All movies. The playback singer, these are all the people are playback singers, and they have given especially for the one which is very much suitable, and is a Manoj Kumar, and he what is synchronizes, he directs and he produces all the what patriotism movies. Yes, which is the right answer? Make a trial, doesn't matter. You don't lose it.
Sir, option 3 Mahendra Kapoor.
It's a 3 is a Mahendra Kapoor, and he has given the mostly the Manoj Kumar all the movies, and he's an Indian playback singer, and is no longer career spanning decade, and he's a very good movie. I mean, song is Chalo Ek Baar Phir Se Ajnabi Ban
Yes,
Jaye
sir.
Hum Dono.
I-
That is a Gumrah.
I like it very much, sir. I like it very much.
And if you listen now also, you will enjoy like anything. And Neele Gagan Ke Tale, Hamraz,
Yes.
and he has given, these are all the Manoj Kumar movies. And Mere Desh Ki Dharti in Manoj Kumar's film Upkar, and he always considered Muhammad Rafi his guru, and cited many times because Mahendra Kapoor will regard the Muhammad Rafi because he's all over the king in the field of the film industry, especially in the songs, and he has awarded the Padma Shri, who Mahendra Kapoor, government in India and his talent voice actor is Manoj Kumar in most of his films, and he had a lengthy association with the director, producer Baldev Raj also. Yes, 15, please.
King in Bollywood. One is Mohammad Rafi, two is Kishore Kumar, and three is Sonu Nigam, and four is Kumar Sanu.
Recent, not classical. Make a trial. No marks, you don't lose the money. You
Sir,
don't
option
lose the
1, Mohammad
money.
Rafi.
I say latest, I said, I have given the hint also, but you did not catch me. It is a Kedarnath Bhattacharya that is a better known as a Kumar Sanu, and he's the Indian playback singer, and he's popularly known as King of Melody in Bollywood now. And his songs are so many are here given. Tere dar pe sanam, that is Aya Ashki Hum, and Tumhe Apna Bana Ke, and most of the 10 songs is given over there. That's why he was awarded over there in that way. So this is the end of the turn of my Ubzar, that is the wife, because she is the probationary period she is there. That's why I would like to train her till she will be a good anchorer as well as the yes. Now the turn is our second host. Be ready. Are you want to deal it? Second host.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes.
Now I can magnify it also, because it is if it is small, then I can magnify it and select all. Then I will make it a big font. Then I will make it a dark also, so that everybody could see it. Yes. Now is it visible? Oh, you did not make all the things over there. Okay, okay, okay. Yes, please continue it.
The first question, sir. Good morning to one and all. The first question is the union government enjoys exclusive powers in one union list, second one concurrent list, third one state list, fourth one union list and state list. The union government enjoys exclusive powers. So you all know there are some kinds of lists, and on which list this union government enjoys exclusive powers. Is it union list or is it concurrent list or is it state list?
Yesterday we discussed this thing.
Yes, yes. We
It
discussed
is, even
about
though wrong doesn't matter, you don't lose the marks. It's a marker.
Sir, option 1, union list.
option 2 is the correct one, concurrent list, because when it is to decide the power on concurrent list, because concurrent list belongs to both state government and central government, then that is union government. So then the union government will have the final say. It will have the final power in the case of deciding the concurrent list. Next, second one is how many schedules does the Indian Constitution have? How many schedules are there? 1, 8, 2, 10, 3, 12, 4, 11. How many schedules are there in our Indian Constitution? You know, parts
You
are
make a
Sir,
trial,
option
even
3,
though it's
12.
wrong, doesn't matter. Use your
Quick,
sixth
please.
sense.
Sir, option 3, 12.
Yes, option 3 is the correct one. There are 12 schedules in our Indian Constitution. Next, number 3. Question number 3. Indian citizenship cannot be acquired, not can be acquired, cannot be acquired by 1, birth, 2, property rights, 3, descent, 4, registration.
Option 2, property rights.
Yes, option 2 is the right one. It cannot be acquired by property rights. Citizenship cannot be acquired by property rights. It can be acquired by birth, it can be acquired by descent as well as registration, but it cannot be acquired by simply having property rights. Fourth one is a limitation period for promissory note. You all know promissory notes. With promissory notes, one can take credit from someone, and its limitation period is how much? Is it 3 years or is it 1 year or is it 3 years, 4 years or is it 2 years?
Make attempt, doesn't matter. Use your sixth sense.
Yes.
Option
What?
1, 3 years.
Yes, option 1 is the correct
Option
answer. 3 years is the limitation period. After that, we cannot move the court with promissory note. The 3 years is the maximum period. Now, fifth one is, which of the following features is not that of Indian Constitution? Not that of Indian Constitution. This feature is not that of Indian Constitution. Is it presidential form of government? Is it independence of judiciary? Is it federal government? Is it Republican form of government? Which is not a feature.
Sir, option 3.
2, sir.
Option 1 is the correct answer because ours is not the presidential form of government. Ours is a democratically elected parliamentary form of government. And the remaining 3 are our features of Indian Constitution. Independence of judiciary is there, federal government is there, Republican form of government is there. But presidential form of government that only belongs to countries like USA. Sixth one. Which fundamental right cannot be suspended even during emergency? Even during emergency, some fundamental rights can be suspended, but exclusively this fundamental right cannot be suspended. What is it? Is it right to equality? Is it freedom of religion? Is it right to life and liberty? Is it freedom of speech and expression?
Option 3, right to life and liberty.
Yes, option 3 is the right answer. Right to life and liberty cannot be curtailed even in national emergency. Seventh one. Which number will divide 3026? Use your logic. 3026 and 5053, leaving remainders. Remainder means in Telugu Shesham. 11 and 13 respectively. 15, 30, 45, 60. After dividing this 3026, 11 will be the remainder. After dividing 5053, the remainder will be 13. Which number does it? Is it 15 or is it 30 or is it 45? Is it 60? Somewhat easy on question it is. Just a little bit of arithmetic. Numerical ability it requires. Yes,
Give
can
the answer.
anyone? Please be quick.
Because they are
Why
not
don't you give
making the luck.
one
I say luck you can make it out. Sometimes you need not to do it. You can feel it what the fifth sense or sixth sense says. You can write it because anyway that you don't know the answer. At least you have to fill the answer. That is the reason when you did not
By
know
the-
it,
by,
at that time you can make your luck.
by this time you should have solved it. Okay, I am saying the answer. I myself am saying it is option 115. If you divide 3026 with 15, 11 will be the remainder. If you divide 5053 with 15, 13 will be the remainder. Because 15 twos are 30, and after that you have to write 0. Then 15, 1. So 26 minus 15 is 11. The remainder will be 11. Are you able to follow?
Yeah, they a bit. They are a bit not that much. Anyway, that will skip it. They did not get it.
5053 also, then 13 will be the remainder.
Go to the eighth.
Now, eighth question is impeachment against President of India can be initiated. Impeachment. The President of India can be removed from his office only by impeachment. And the options are, where can it be initiated with this process? Is it in Lok Sabha, is it in Rajya Sabha, or is it in Supreme Court, or is it in either house of parliament?
Sir, option 4, either house
Option
of
4 is the right answer, either house of parliament. It can be initiated, the proceedings can be initiated either in Lok Sabha or in Rajya Sabha. Next. Ninth one is murder is defined in dash section of IPC, Indian Penal Code. Is it 300 or is it 302? Is it 306 or is it 307? Murder is
option
defined.
3, 306, 306.
Option?
3.
Option 1 is the correct answer. It is defined in section 300. Next, 10th question is A divorced woman is entitled to get maintenance or alimony. Haranam. A divorced woman.
Sir, option 2, sir.
Yes, option 2 is the right answer. Good. For lifelong, she can get this maintenance from her husband. 11th question. A crime is a private wrong, a civil wrong, a wrong against the state, a violation of contract.
Option 3, sir.
Option 3 is the right one, a wrong against the state. Next, 12th question. Which of the following is the chief source of political power in India? The parliament, again the parliament is given, the Supreme Court, the people. Yes.
Fourth option, sir. The people.
Option 4 is the correct answer. The people. The people have the chief source of political power in India. Next, 13th question is right is legally protected. I quote, right is legally protected interest, I unquote, is propounded by Hearing, Kelson, Hart, Austin. It is a question pertaining to jurisprudence. This also once figured in your TS Lawsuit examination. I have taken it. So, right is legally protected interest. Who said it?
Option 4, sir. Austin.
Option 1 is the correct answer. Hearing propounded this maxim which pertains to jurisprudence. Right is legally protected interest. 14th question is the essential elements of a crime are motive and weapons, personal grudge. Third one is actus reus and mens rea. Fourth one is actus reus and motive. So you have to blindly remember these components. These components are very important for a crime.
Sir, option 3, sir.
Option 3 is the correct answer. Actus reus and mens rea. Next,
Yes, go ahead.
15th question is mens rea is not considered in. This is not considered mens rea in murder, theft, rape, civil cases. మెన్స్ రీ అంటే మనసులో క్రైమ్ చేయాలనేటటువంటి ఉద్దేశం అన్నమాట.
A person is having the intention to deal such a crime.
మర్డర్, థెఫ్ట్, రేప్, సివిల్ కేసెస్.
See, these are all
Sir,
criminal
option
cases.
Option 4 is the correct one because
Civil
remaining
cases.
3, murder, theft, rape are criminal cases. While committing a crime, this mens rea is a very important component, but in civil cases, this is not considered. Mens rea is not considered. Sir, that is for today's.
Yes. Now, I would like to ask you, the students, one question. Smoking a cigarette in the public place is a civil wrong, criminal wrong, or both? Or no wrong at all? Can you say the crime?
Civil.
Civil wrong, sir.
Can I say the crime? We don't say the crime. It is not a murder. It is not a heinous thing. It is an offense.
It is a civil as well as the criminal offense.
Generally, we will say smoking in the public place is an offense. We will use the word. We don't say the crime. We don't say the civil wrong also. Yes, so these are the things which then my turn is there. Yes, I am entering the my turn. Yes, the maxims. Yeah, these are very much important maxims. See, the maxims means sayings, a universal truth, a phenomenon. So Latin maxims are originated from the medieval era in the European states and used in the Latin as their legal language. In any language, the maxims could be used over there. The reason for the maxim using is because the origin is there in the Latin, and hence most of the things we have taken is the Latin maxims. Whenever the Latin maxims are used over there, please keep in the mind it should be in italics. Generally, first word should be the capital letter, and the rest of the letters are the small letters. And these maxims generally that you use in your courts, number one, ab initio. That what it means. Is it before the very beginning of the law? and after the very beginning of the law, and 3 from the very beginning of the law, 4 in the very beginning of the law. Which one is the right? Sir, everything looks alike, sir. No, there is a distinction. Yes. Even though it is wrong, doesn't matter. Don't check in the smartphone and give me the answer, please.
Sir, option 1 before the very beginning of the law.
Actually, the answer is 3 from the very beginning of the law, because it is ab initio at the first instance. So that is means from the very beginning of the law. That is the right way. That is the thing where you can, because that is decided in one of the case law also, Delhi Development Authority versus Kochar Construction Works. Others, I don't think that such a question may be asked, because it is a bit tough. But only the popular decided cases could be asked over there, like Keshananda Bharati case law, and Maneka Gandhi case law, and Shreya Singh case law, and the Nalsa case law, like that. We will deal in the evening that cases which are very much remarkable, and what the decisions have taken by the Supreme Court. Yes, number 2, actus de niminis injuriam. I repeat, actus de nimini injuriam. So, law holds a man responsible for the act of God. Actually, in the short, we can say it is the act of God, or vis major, V-I-S, vis space M-A-G-O-R, vis major, or act of God. Or in the civil law terminology, we can say it is a force majeure. That is the civil law terminology. Sometimes they can ask force majeure, F-O-R-C-E, force space majeure, M-A-E-J-U-R-E. So it is the act of God that is acted de niminis injuriam, and which is the right among the 4. So here I could share that thing on the screen. I'm sure that if that is visible to you. If it is not visible to you, I can magnify it. Yes, please. The holds a man responsible for the act of God. The law holds the no man responsible for the act of God. The law holds no man responsible for the act of man. And the law holds no man responsible for the desire of God.
Sir, option 1, law holds a man responsible for the act of.
Number 2 is the right answer. Law holds no man responsible for the act of God. Suppose if there is a earthquake, who is responsible? Man is responsible. If the tsunami, who is responsible? Man is responsible. So the second one is the law holds no man responsible for the act of God. That is, whatever the act of God, earthquakes, volcanoes, hurricanes, cyclones, tsunami, any other thing? Sir, COVID. COVID is not act of God. It's a man-made act. Are you following me? Say yes.
Yes, sir.
Good.
Yes, sir.
Otherwise, I will see that you are not there on the online. Okay. Next is actio personalis maritam cum persona. I repeat, actio personalis maritam cum persona. That means, generally, I have given the 4 options. Only one is correct over there. A person duty of action dies with the person. A personal right of action survives with the person. A public right of action dies with the person. A personal right of action dies with the person. Which one is the correct answer among the 4 choices which I have made it here? That means a personal action dies with the person. That is the meaning.
Sir, option 4, sir.
Option 4 is the right answer. A personal right of action dies with the person. Suppose you are a guitarist and you are a fine guitarist, world famous. Suppose if you die, but you made a contract with somebody else to sing, to play, and if you die, you cannot insist his son, who is more powerful than, more popular than him, ask him to make the guitar, play the guitar over there in the function. That is the actually thing which is. So of course, I have given this feedback that much is not enough, but the example which I have given is that is more than enough to you. Yes, actori incumbit onus probandi. That means it is nothing but if you want to say he is a culprit, if you want to prove he is a rapist, if you want to prove he is a murderer. Then burden lies on whom? That is the thing. The burden of proof lies on the plaintiff. The burden of proof lies in the plaintiff. The burden of proof lies on the plaintiff. The burden of witness lies on the plaintiff. Which one is the right answer? See, in the murder case, the state will prove it. In the civil case, the person who goes, he is called plaintiff. The plaintiff has to prove it. Yes, now you tell me. See, I have given the total example, I have given the total area.
Sir, option 1, sir.
No, the burden of witness lies on the plaintiff. Yes, action 1 is right. The burden of proof lies on the plaintiff. So that is the cardinal principle. Then actus non facit riem nisi mensit tria. Just now our Kolikunda Sharad Babu has said, if you want to make a bad intention there, a bad guilty mind should be there. That is the maxim actus non facit riem nisi mensit tria. And here the 4 options which I have given over there. The intent and mood must both concur to constitute the crime. The intent and act must both concur to constitute the crime. The intent and act must both concur to constitute the crime. The motto and the act must both concur to constitute the crime. Which one is the right answer? So both should be there. Act should be there and the bad intention should be there.
Option 4, sir. Motto and act.
Option 2 is the correct one.
Option 2 is the right answer, sir. There is no motto, there is intention. I see to misguide you, I wrote the motto and the act. But here the intent and act both must conquer, means together will go to constitute the crime. That is the answer which is given over there. And the next is animus possidendi. Possidendi. I repeat, animus possidendi. That means intention to hide, intention to keep, intention to possess, or like to possess. Which one is the right option among the 4? Possession means to possess or have it. Yes. The right answer is, even though it is wrong, doesn't matter. Don't take that much
Option
time.
1, sir.
Think that you
Option
don't
1.
know you think
Third
that you
one.
don't know the answer and you make a luck.
Option
Don't
1, sir.
search in the smartphone, because smartphone will not be allowed in the examination hall. The right answer is
Option
Third
1,
one
sir.
is the third option is the right one because intention to push.
see, whenever you're giving the answer, you should say the option 3 and intention to possess. That is the right way of giving the answer. So that is the right answer. Adi alteram pattern. Adi alteram pattern. This is the administrative law principle will be there. It comes to the natural justice. A man shall be condemned unheard. No man shall be condemned unheard. No man will be condemned unheard. No man shall be condemned unheard. Which one is the right answer? See, when you want to punish it, you have to hear from both the sides. Then only you can give the punishment. But without hearing
Here
both
the-
the sides, you are not supposed to give the
Here
punishment.
the other side. Here the other side also.
Here the other side also. So here I kind it. Which one is the right answer? See, I have given the example also to you. Hear from the both the side, then you can decide. But without hearing, you cannot decide.
While
Sir,
deciding
option
the
4, no man should be condemned
See,
unheard.
when I have given total thing, even now you are giving slowly action 4, but still I can appreciate. Still I can appreciate. No man shall be condemned unheard. That is the answer. Yes, now it is a very easy caveat vendita. Like caveat emptor, caveat vendita. Purchase beware, seller beware, buyer beware, seller aware.
Sir, option 3, sir. Buyer beware.
No, that is option
Option
3 is
two.
that is
caveat vendor.
Sorry, sir.
EMPTR. Caveat emptor means buyer beware. But caveat vendita means here.
Vendor beware. Vendor beware. Vendor
Yeah.
means seller.
Yes. Then here seller beware. Are you following me? Seller
Yes, sir.
beware means second option is the right option. Second option, seller beware, is the right option for the 8th question, caveat vendita. Is it clear?
After this consumer Protection Act has come,
Yeah.
this has become popular. Caveat
Yes,
emptor
yes.
is also become popular.
Yes, yes.
Seller.
See, when you want to sell the goods, try to give which is the even including the latent defect also you have to try to tell them, and without making it. Otherwise, in the Transfer of Property Act, you will be held liable. Okay, next. Ejusdem generis. Of the same group are kind, of the same class are mine, of the same class are kind, of the correct class are kind. Ejusdem generis.
Of the same class or kind.
And
So
the
option
correct
two.
answer is option 4. Of the correct class or the kind is our example. That is the right. Like we example will say table, chair, bench, blackboard, duster. Can I include television? Can I include television?
You can't,
Why?
because it does not belong to the same correct class or kind.
Because they are table, chair, bench, blackboard, duster. They are the furniture. And television is not a furniture. It's a luxury item. Of course, now it became a essential item. Okay, next. This everybody knows. Now, without reading, you have to give the answer to me by looking at the habeas corpus means. You have to give me the answer immediately.
Option 3, sir.
You have the body.
Option 3, you have the body. Yes, now we can make it out because the time is going to up. I will finish this one 11th. Okay. Ignorantia facti excusat. Ignorantia juris non excusat. These are the maxims, two maxims are there. And whose the interpretation which is given in the
Ignorance of facts can be excused, but not ignorance of law. That is third
the four
option.
options are given over here. Ignorance of
The
fact may be
fourth one.
dismissed, but not ignorance of law. Ignorance of law may be excused, but not ignorance of the fact. And ignorance of the fact may be excused, but no ignorance of the law. The ignorance of fact may be excused, but not the ignorance of law. Which one is the right answer?
Fourth one.
The
Fourth
fourth
one
one
is
is
the
the right
correct one.
answer. Ignorance of facts may be excused, but not ignorance of law. It is an offense. Please unmute.
చట్టంలో ఇది ఉందని నాకు తెలియదు అని అంటానికి వీల్లేదు.
Yes, yes, yes. So one should have to be careful before making it. Otherwise, you should not supposed to say, yeah. So these are the things would be there. The event now at any time that it will be there, the legal principle being that a person who is unaware of the law may not escape liability for violating the law. Suppose if you don't know the red light is stop, I don't know, and the green light is go, I don't know. Can I say so? Yes,
You can't.
Participants,
You can't
I'm
say.
asking you. Participants, I'm
No, sir,
asking
we can.
you. Yes. So, okay, now you tell me.
Participants,
Yes.
participants are preparing for the examination. I think while watching this, also they are looking into their books.
See, the point is you are not allowed with any electronic gadgets or the books, any other material inside except a pencil. I don't know whether eraser would be allowed. No, pencil also cannot be made it over there because you have to tick with the mouse, but you have to have the computer on. Anyway, that another question that I would like to make it out there. What are the lights are there in the traffic signals? Only the participant should have to say either Akhila or Hasnuddin or Sana Fatima. I repeat, what are the lights are there at the traffic signal? Color of the lights.
Sir, red, green,
Yellow.
yellow.
Why you are taking so much time?